that I could ever need. You are everything to me. Oh, baby, you lit the fire that burns deep in my heart. You smiled at me and made the music start. I never dreamed I'd hold a work of art such as you, such as you. 'Cause you're everything a woman ought to be. Sweet and kind and pure of mind and beautiful to see. Yes, you're everything that I could ever need. You are everything to me.